In the course of Python, basically total 10 sections are there. In section 1, we will see Python objects and data structure basis, and Python numbers, variable assignments, introduction to string, indexing and slicing in the string properties, that is indexing, slicing, formatting function, methods, then list, dictionaries, tuples, sets and booleans. This data structure in all these types of data structures and objects of Python included in section 1. Now we will move towards the data structure. Now see the data structure which is used in Python. First one is data type. Int is an integer data type which represented the numbers, for example 1, 2, 3, 4. Now see this data type into Python. Here is my Jupyter notebook. Suppose I am writing 1, okay, 1, 2. Then I am running this program. Output is 1, 2. Suppose I want to know the type of 1. Then at that time you have to write down type 1. Run this, then it shows it is of type integer. Suppose I want to make addition of two numbers, that is 1 plus 1. Directly you can write down 1 plus 1, then you have to click on the run. It will show the 2. 3 into 5. After giving this instruction directly you can click on the run. It will show the output 15. Now suppose you want to know the type of this 15, so you write down type in bracket 15, then run this cell. It will display the type of integer. Okay, now we will see the second type, that is a float. Float means it is a decimal points which is represented 1.1, 2.2. okay, next is strings. Strings is a set of. Third type is a string which are immutable. String means it is a set of character, for example ABC, hi, hello, and always remember strings have to write down into quotation. Either you can take a single quotation or you can take a double quotation. Okay, now see the list. List means it is an ordered sequence of an object and it is represented in square bracket. List can be either string type, integer type. In list you can use any type of data like integer, character, float. Okay, see this example here. In 10 means integer data type. After that hello is written. Hello means string data type, and last one is float. Float means last one is 100.3. that means float data type. Means in list you can use any type of data, that is either integer, float or string. And always remember lists are represented in square bracket, this one. Okay, now we'll see the example of float, strings and list in the Jupyter notebook. After integer, float is there. Suppose I have written 100.3. okay, and I want to know the type of this. So here write down type in bracket 100.3. Click on the run. It will display float type. Okay. After that string is there. Suppose I want to print a is equals to hello. Okay. Then write down a. Then it will display your string, that is hello. Okay. Suppose a is equals to hello and b is equals to Sam. When you want to concatenate these two strings, in that case you have to write down a plus b. Then it will display hello Sam. Here is your quote close, and here before s you have to give some space so that there is space displayed in between hello and Sam. When you run this code, then it will display hello Sam. Okay, this is a concatenation of string. In string you can make a indexing as well as slicing. Suppose I want to write a comment in Python, so you can use hash for giving a comment, string slicing and indexing. Okay, suppose I want to display a is equals to hello. Now I want to display first character from the given string, so I have to write down a in bracket 0, then it will display the 0th index character. Click on the run. H is present on the 0th location, so it will display H. When I will give command a in bracket 2, 0, 1, 2, L is there on second position, so it will display L. Okay, now suppose I want to give command a in bracket -1. -1 means its counting start from right hand side or the end of a string. That means -1 is assigned to O. So when I click on the run, it will display O. When I want to see the second character from last, so in that case I have to write down a -2. Click on the run. It will display the second last character, that is L. This is an indexing of a string. Now see the slicing of a string. Suppose I write a in bracket 1 colon, then it will display the whole character after first position, that is it will display E L L O. When I click on the run, it will display E L L O. Suppose I want to display the whole character after second position. In that case I have to write down 2 colon. Suppose I want to display the character which is from the position 2 to 4. In that case I have to write down E 2 colon 4. That means it will display the character in between second to fourth position, L L. Okay. This is a slicing of a string. After string, list is there. List means what? Here is comment line. List means this order sequence. That can hold a variety of object types. And always remember, lists are represented in square bracket. Suppose I want to display my list, my underscore list is equals to square bracket 1 comma 1.1 or 1.2 comma hello. Then write down my list. Click on the run. It will show you list. Okay. Always remember, list is represented in square bracket. And in list, indexing and slicing both are present. Suppose I want to count the length of this my list. In that case you have to write down function len in bracket name of your list, that is my list. Click on the run. Here length of my list is 3, so it will display 3. Okay. Suppose I want to display 0th position element from the list. In that case, I have to write down my list in bracket 0. Then it will display the 0th position element from the list. Click on the run. Here on 0th element, 0th position 1 is there, so it will display the 0. Now use the slicing concept. My list, suppose I want to display all the items from first index. In that case, write down opening bracket 1 colon. Click on the run. It will display all items from the first position, that is from 1.1 and hello. This is the slicing it list. Suppose I want to remove the last element from the list. In that case, you can use the pop command. Write down my list dot click on the run. It will pop hello from this list. Okay, hello is the last element from the list, so it will remove the hello. When I am going to print this list, at that time it will display first two elements only, because by using pop command we have removed the last element. Click on the run. Here it displays only first and second element. Suppose I want to remove the first element from the list. In that case, we have to give the position of element in the pop method. For example, my list dot pop in bracket 0. That means it will pop the 0th element from the list. 0th element is here 1. After this, suppose I want to print the list, so write down my list. Click on the run. Then it will display only one element which is remaining, that is 1.2. So this is the list which is present in the Python.